Mmm. 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 Oh, I bet that's like Federal Express.
Probably.
Mmm. 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 Mmm.
Guys!
Mmm. 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 Chew. Chew it. Mmm. Mmm.
Oh God, Ellie!
Chew. What? What? You guys need a little bit of this? Huh? Do you need some of this? Do you need some of this? Huh? Do you? Do you need some of this? Huh? Do you? You need some of this? Whoa, whoa. You need some of this? Huh? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Alright. You almost fell off the couch there, Vlad. That was good, wasn't it? Do you need some french fries to go with it? Okay. Do you need one too? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Chew, chew. Chew it. Chew. Whoop, chew. What? Mmm. 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 What? Mmm. Oh, wait a minute. Onion.
Vlad!
Onion. Hold on. Vlad, do you want this? No?
Yeah, Ellie.
You want this, Vlad?
Yeah.
This is what you want? This one? Huh? You want it? This one? You sure? You want it? I'll eat this part. Do you like this? Let's ready this part. Oh, oh! Oh gosh, what are those? Chew! Chew it! Do you need some more? No, I don't think so. This one's mine.
Ellie. I would like some ketchup on mine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, I'll try. Okay, fine. You and your brother both want ketchup?
Yes. Oh God, Ellie.
There's ketchup. Well, I didn't really like the ketchup on that one. Oh, ketchup, not so much. You want to try some more with ketchup?
Okay.
Glad?
Yeah.
Ketchup?
Oh.
Ketchup? Do we need some more ketchup? Let's try. Ketchup. Whoops. Your brother got that one.
Oh, Ellie. Oh, okay, enough with the ketchup.
You want ketchup?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's kind of gross.
I'm gonna eat all these.
Oh, no.
Mmm.
Ellie.
crumbs now. Chew!
Oh.
Chew it, guys.
Oh.
Chew. Chew it. Yeah, this one's a little... No, that one's for me. That one's too tough. That's it? Sorry.
Soda?
Soda?
Yes.
I don't think so. That's
Sippy,
it, guys.
sippy straw?
Sippy straw?
Yeah.
Full of butter?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. That's it. All done. I'm sorry. Looking I'm done.
God damn it, Allie.
Oh, but do we need to go into the kitchen?
Yes.
Huh? Do I need to take the plate into the kitchen?
Oh.
Plate needs to go in the kitchen? Oh, plate need to go in the kitchen?
Oh, yeah!
Plate go in the kitchen? Oh!